Okay, this is Nirmala Institute of Education's Vlastos 2018 second intercollegiate tournament. We are at the Kakulo Mall, Panaji. We are all in all around 22 teams participated in the men's section and 10 in the women's section. It was organized with the motive to give a platform to intercollegiate football players. As of now, this is the only tournament which is organized exclusively for intercollegiate players, and both in the men's and women's section. It's the only tournament in the entire state of Goa which is organized at intercollegiate level for the women's section. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all the colleges for sending their teams and participating in the tournament. Yeah, today was the inaugural. It was presided over by our principal, Dr. Delia Antao. She declared the tournament open.